have you ever imagined your car as a mobile spa? Picture this. You step into your vehicle, instantly enveloped by calming ambient lighting and the soothing sounds of nature. You settle into your seat, and with the press of a button, the cabin fills with your chosen aroma, courtesy of a built-in aromatherapy diffuser. But it doesn't stop there. Your seat, ergonomically designed for comfort, starts a personalized massage treatment, kneading away the day's tension, leaving you feeling revitalized. This isn't just a car, it's a luxurious haven on wheels. Wellness-focused features are transforming the driving experience, turning dreary commutes into relaxing retreats. The journey is no longer about getting from point A to point B. It's about indulging in a moment of serenity, of rejuvenation within the confines of your car. So step into the future of luxury driving, where your car is no longer just a mode of transport, but a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. But the wellness journey goes beyond physical pampering. As we delve deeper into the world of wellness technology, we encounter the marvels of advanced biofeedback systems. These intricate networks of sensors and algorithms are the heart of your car's wellness features, constantly monitoring your stress levels, heart rate, and even your brain activity. Imagine this. You're stuck in traffic, the day's worries weighing heavy on your mind. Your car senses your stress and instantly adjusts the ambient lighting and music, shifting the environment to a soothing, calming one. The tension starts to ease away. Or perhaps you're feeling lethargic after a long day at work. Your car detects this too and promptly creates an invigorating atmosphere with upbeat music and vibrant lighting to give you that much-needed energy boost. But the wellness technology doesn't stop there. Imagine guided meditation sessions or quick fitness routines, all facilitated by your car's built-in apps. Your car is not just a vehicle, but a personal wellness coach. A companion that understands